Well, I guess it's that time of the year. We'll get a little dirt work done. Give you guys a little tour of the old girl. It's been on the channel before, but you might not have seen it. The 4 sticks, bunch of sticks, all kinds of them. Drive sticks, you know, tip, tilt, all that fun stuff. I don't know what that thing does. If anybody knows what that one does, let me know. I've flipped it. All it seems to do is just leak. Oh, we got gas pedal down there. Right in the... Oh, that looks nasty. Yep, that's it. It's our throttlage. But I mean, she ain't too bad. She ain't running about a year, so we're gonna climb up there, and it's the air-cooled Deutz engine. We'll get her cleaned off and check all the oils and honeys and stuff and see what it looks like. Guess let's get her opened up and see what we got going on here. I might have to go get the leaf blower, I think. Yep, we got batteries, and it looks like there's still an engine in there. That's plus. You guys see what's going on in there? Yeah. Pretty simple setup. Air-cooled Deutz engine, pulleys over to a hydraulic pump, and that's about it. Yep. Looks like it's ready to do engine stuff. Let's see what our... I'm pretty sure last time I ran this unit, hydraulic honey was a little low, so oh yeah, we gotta get the leaf blower jammed down in her crevices. Come on. It says use type A automatic transmission fluid only. I don't know if we have any of that. Hello? Looks pretty empty down there. That's probably part of our problem. Alright, I guess, oh, we got a dipstick. Let's see, what do we, what's it, how do you read this thing? How do you work? What happens here? Does anybody know how this thing works? What in the... Alright. Alrighty. Alright, what? I don't know. I hear some... things are happening in there. Any sight glassage? Nope. Yep, I got nothing. Well, we're gonna have to go to the leaf blower and do a little research on this type A automatic transmission fluid. See if it's the same as just universal hydraulic transmission oils and fluids and stuff. I gotta imagine it doesn't really matter anymore in this old pig. But we'll do our due diligences, I guess. Went over it with the leaf blower, evicted some mice out of the engine. It's the air-cooled Deutz, so they were in the air-cooled section. Got them evicted. Oh, let's get up here. Oh, we filled up the hydraulic honey. That's topped off. Still a mouse running around in there somewhere. But I think we just gotta check the Earl. We should be ready to run. Oh. So inside there, it's like an air scoop. It's a fan right there, belt-driven fan. An air scoop to blow air across the cylinders. Kind of like a Harley setup almost. That's where the mouse had a house in there. It is no longer. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we got plenty. All kinds. Hopefully them batteries are still doing battery things. Oh, they're kind of old and crappy looking, but I guess we'll close her up. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, there we are. Yeah, I guess we'll see if we can't get something chugging along here. Last time I started, it started fine, ran good, but I didn't have any hydraulics. I think I was low on the hydraulic honey. Come on. Almost. Bet you that mouse is trying to escape out of there now. But let's get, let's see if we got any hydraulics here. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, she runs. I guess we're gonna go through and we'll grease whatever we can get to that needs grease. I gotta get the dump truck up here and we'll be, you know, digging. think we did too terrible there. Nice load of dirt. Some smoke. We'll go take a peek at the engine and see how she looks after a little hard run at her, so they say. Ugh. Yep, it's an engine. Looks like it's doing engine stuff. Get around the other side here. Smoking still. Yep. Still just looks like a engine. We got a leak. Harsh blows, matey. I'll have to investigate on that. That's just a leaky nut or what the deal is. Yeah, I guess I'll go get that load of dirt dumped and we'll keep on keeping on.